Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, the best day of the week for most people. It's a good day for me because I get to go home today. All I have to do is deliver these two headers that I got on the step deck behind me and then drive about 5 hours home. Or is it 6 hours? 6 hours? We're going home tonight anyways. We'll be home for tonight, for tomorrow, and then Sunday we leave down towards South Dakota. Let's get this day going. It's supposed to turn into a blizzard today, and it just started to snow now. So I want to get unloaded and get out of here before the bulk of the storm hits, because it's not supposed to storm at home. It's just here in western North Dakota. By the time I get around to Fargo and back to Winnipeg, it should be sunshiny skies. Let's hope that the weathermen and weatherwomen are right. Are they ever right? Sometimes. They're pretty smart. Here, it's getting worse, like we know it will. They're supposed to get 6 to 9 inches of snow today, so this is why I wanted to quickly get this unloaded before the bulk of the storm came in. This guy might be the guy who's unloading me, I'm not sure. I'm supposed to go to the back here, turn around, face back, and then they're gonna come unload me. I'm not sure exactly where, but I'll probably park back here because it's wide open, and then they can move these things wherever they want from here. Let's turn ourselves around. I really hope that my drive home is going to be okay because I'm going to be empty, right? Which means I'll be very light and my traction will be at its lowest. So I'll take her easy, but I'm getting home tonight. Old man winter can't stop that. I'm Canadian. A little snow didn't stop me. Bring it on is what I say. As long as the highways are open, I'm open for business too. I guess I'll stop right here. I don't know if that's the guy who wants to unload me or what, but I think this is where I'm gonna take the straps off. Not too sure. They said that they would just come and unload me. I'm just supposed to face this way, take the straps off, and they'll come unload me. But I'm like, do you want me parked here? Do you want me parked there? I mean, I don't want to take all the straps off and then them come and tell me, no, we want you on the other side of the yard. I'm like, oh, great. Now I got to move this all the way over there without straps, or put a strap over just so it doesn't move. If you move around in a yard very slowly with most freight, it won't fall off. You just creep, right? I just don't like doing that. I don't have to. How's my beard today? How's my beard? I was thinking about that when I was talking to the receiver lady there. Like, I wonder how my beard looks. Is it okay? Is it presentable? Let's fix this thing up here. I need a mirror in here, you know? I'm like a girl. How am I looking? How's my face? Am I presentable? Oh yeah, I didn't have time to shower this morning, and there was no really, well, I guess there's Flying J down the road and could shower there, but didn't have time to shower because I woke up and I looked out the window with you guys there, right? And I was like, oh, the snowstorm is in town already. We need to get out of here. So, no time for that. We're gonna maybe, I'll just shower at home. Why not that? It's a free shower then. I don't care. I don't care if I smell a little bit, right, Diesel? Do you care? Why aren't you saying anything? You're so quiet lately, you know? He's so quiet. Diesel, people want you to be more involved. I'm getting kind of old, bang. I'm an old man now. Well, the snowstorm's not getting any better, so I'm gonna get out there because I'm kind of procrastinating. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to take the straps off in the snow. And then I remember, hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm a man. I can do it. Not saying women can't. Gotta be careful what I say nowadays. It's 2018. Jeez. Woo-wee! It's getting bad. Woo! Wow. Finally got to use this today. This was sent to me in the mail. Thank you so much. It is the warmest, nicest balaclava. I think you called it a hoodie when you sent it to me. I call it a balaclava. The nicest, warmest one I've ever had in my life. Gotta do the paperwork with this guy now. Just a little bit of paperwork, that's all. All right, so now that we're empty, we gotta find the best, fastest route home. And now that it's storming, I'm gonna look at the radar on my phone here to see where it's snowing the most. I pulled it up here on AccuWeather. This is for North Dakota. Now, here, let me put this down here so I can show you what we're working with. And let's focus. Everybody put your glasses on. Thank you. All right, I don't know if I can zoom in or not. Okay, I can't. We are in Minot, which is right there. You see Minot? So we're right sort of on the edge of the system. Right on the edge of the system there. So what I'm gonna do, here's Winnipeg up here. Brandon, instead of going all the way across this way and up, I'm gonna go up and then cross at Boissevain and Peace Garden like we did, what was that, yesterday or day before yesterday? No, yesterday we crossed at Peace Garden. And across at Peace Garden again, go up and then take Highway 2 across to Winnipeg. It's actually a lot faster going that way up through Peace Garden. If we go all the way over to I-29 and up like my GPS here, Mandy wants me to do, it's 578 kilometers, which, let me do the math for you Americans, because I know the majority of you watching are Americans. And that's awesome. So 578 kilometers divided by 1.61, 359 miles going that way. But if I redirect myself up through Boissevain, Manitoba and Peace Garden there, from North Dakota into southwestern Manitoba, then take the 2 across like I was telling you, it goes down to 470 kilometers. So we take 100 kilometers or over just about 60 miles off my entire day. And I have to deal with less snow because the snowstorm is sort of going out east from here, right? But we're right on the edge of it. So if I go north, I should be out of it sooner. So we'll have clearer roads and an hour less of driving. So instead of it taking 6 hours to get back, it'll take 5 hours. The time is now just about noon. So if I'm lucky, maybe I'll be back by supper time. Or maybe just after. I'll probably stop along the way and... What? A man needs his coffee. I'm sorry. And a weasel also needs to take a few breaks. Oh, he's slowing me down, man. Oh, he's slowing me down, you old man. Old man. Look at this guy. You're slowing me down, you old man. You and your gray beard. It's okay, man. Gray hairs are a sign of wisdom. Now let me nap. This is my mid-morning, mid-afternoon nap. Go away. Didn't you just have a nap? That was my mid-morning nap. This is my midday nap. I get them mixed up. He sure does have a lot of naps. Well, you better get all the rest you can, because when we get home tonight, Chevy is going to want to play. All right? And Chevy plays rough, just like me. I might get in there with you too, so you're gonna need all the energy you can get, man. I don't blame you. Have your nap. Old man. I'm gonna call you old man from now on. Dusty Weasel. Old man trucker. Old man trucker dog, man. He pops his head up. What? Wait, what? Okay, I'll let you sleep. Let's go home. Look at this mess, eh? Woo! This is gonna be fun. Empty step deck behind me. You ready to go, Diesel? You better buckle up, buddy. We're about to give her. As soon as we catch traction, we're gonna give her. There we go. There we go.
550 meters, then turn right on North Broadway.
So slippery. So slippery! My traction control is just going nuts. scuba sign off to our right again. So, crossed into Canada. This is now Turtle Mountain Provincial Park on this side of the border. So sort of protected, it's a protected area. Now we just got about another 3 hours or so to home. Well, not to home, to our home base. To Mandy's home. I tell her to take me home, she takes me to our home terminal. Then from there, I still gotta go home from there. But I might even get home today before the sun goes down. If we're lucky. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for watching today's vlog. We made it home safe and sound. We had a great trip, a lot of fun. That snowstorm was a little wild, but as you saw, we got out of it pretty quick, and it was a good idea crossing where we did near Boissevain at Peace Garden. We only had to drive through the snowstorm for about an hour, and the rest of the day was all sunshine and rainbows, unicorns and all that fun stuff. It was a lot of fun. I'm a little disappointed in myself right now because as I'm putting everything together on my computer right here, I was transferring files from my GoPro onto the computer, and I was transferring files for this coming Saturday, which I believe is tomorrow. I deleted it. All of the footage. That was the day when I live streamed how to edit a vlog, or how I edit vlogs. I just deleted my entire days, like permanently deleted, not even recycle bin, permanently deleted all of my footage from tomorrow's vlog. So I don't have a vlog to edit for you guys for tomorrow. I'm so sorry. So we'll see what we come up with. Maybe I'll do a live vlog for you. Maybe I am so sorry. I will figure it out, but there will be no vlog for tomorrow. All it was I was at home. So it wasn't that exciting. When a lot of you like it better when I'm on the road or traveling around anyways, so we'll make do. But anyways, have a great day, have a great night. I will see you hopefully tomorrow, but at least I'll see you Sunday.